Hello everyone, welcome back for another car wash video. This time we are in Hamilton, Ontario, and we're going to be just on Main Street here, right in the corner of Main and Dundurn, downtown Hamilton. And I saw this car wash, and it looked kind of old schoolish to me, at least the dryer system. And it says basic wash $7. Entrance here. When I drove by initially, when I saw the dryers, holy cow. This is quite the obstacle. I might have to pause it here just to talk to this attendant. So they get the Supreme wash for $9, Plus wash for $8, and the basic for $7. So obviously I'm going to do the Supreme. Oh, here comes a guy now. Holy, this is tight. You gotta back up and everything. Alright, I'm just going to pause this and I'll start it back up. Holy cow. That was tight. Okay, just one. Okay, so I just paid the gentleman $9, and there was no tax or anything. He just did $9 cash, so that was interesting. And yeah, as you can see, it's a touch system. It was the dryers. That's what you can see when you drive by this place, because the back door is the exit door is open. And they remind me of the dryers from like years ago. I remember going through, I used to live in London, Ontario back when I was in university, and they had these dryers that, I think it was at the Petro-Canada car washes. And they were really, they reminded me a lot. They were just like these ones. So he's just doing kind of a pre-soak with did the brush and power wash the vehicle. Signs there saying polish wax and hot wax. Didn't see any tri-foam or anything like that. But like I said, I know this is a really old wash. Like, look at this dryer system. From what I remember, these used to do a fantastic job, so we'll see how it does. But a lot of people didn't like them because I know they used to touch your vehicle on the sides and that. These ones here don't seem to do that. So yeah, the top ones touch a little bit. You can see the little rollers rolling. Realized I gotta make a sharp left turn here as soon as you get out. It's definitely in a tight spot, this wash, that's for sure. Yeah, looks like they got some vacuums over there. So it's just, I'm trying to see the name of this place. I can at least let you know. Well, and of course the sign is only on the one side because this is a one-way street. But you saw in the beginning of the video anyways. So, can't really get out here, but it looks like I think I did a pretty decent job. I mean, it's fairly basic wash. I mean, there's no tri-foam, stuff like that, but it was just the dryer system. You just don't see that anymore, at least I don't around here. But a little different anyways. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And we will see you on the next one. Actually leaving to... I don't know if this video will be up in time or not. Yeah, it should be. I'll have this up before I go, but I'm gonna be leaving to go to Las Vegas and that. So hopefully I'll get the opportunity to see if I can find some unique washes in Las Vegas and get those recorded. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed this one, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.